In order for Laredo Middle School to take a school-wide approach to strengthening literacy, universal framed paragraphs should be used across all content areas. Framed paragraphs allow students to apply similar approaches in each content area for reading comprehension and written literacies. A common vocabulary structure, student exemplars for successful and unsuccessful writing, holistic rubrics to assess comprehension, peer review, feedback, and discussion, and the inclusion of student choice will allow students struggling in the area of literacy 5 specific strategies to utilize paragraph framing to approach literacy across all content areas. When introducing paragraph framing, it is essential to first build the necessary vocabulary needed for student success. In addition to the content vocabulary, students must understand our universal expectations for the claim, evidence, and reasoning within the framed paragraph writing. The universal holistic grading rubric should guide the conversation in how to fulfill the needs of a claim statement, supporting evidence, and relevant analysis of course content. The use of student exemplars to demonstrate successful as well as unsuccessful writing will further student understanding and how to build their framed paragraphs. Once the basis for common vocabulary, the grading rubric, and relevant student exemplars have been introduced, the prompt should be revealed. While the prompt must hit the learning target and student objective, it is essential that the wording and overall task of the prompt provide student choice. Once the initial framed paragraph is constructed, students should be guided through meaningful discussion of the content through their framed paragraph through peer review. Peer reviewers should be provided with the holistic grading rubric to guide discussions and feedback regarding their peers' successes and areas in need of improvement. Students will then use this feedback to edit their framed paragraph to strengthen their writing. Ultimately, this framing paragraph will be submitted to the instructor for final review, grading, and feedback while using the holistic grading rubric. As all content areas focus on framed paragraph instruction, the reading intervention courses held during the university preparation period will support the common vocabulary and overall support of using framed paragraph in order to ensure that students are able to communicate academic findings. This additional support will further provide the necessary tools for our struggling students in literacy.